So in the next topic, we have to deal with the diseases which are being caused by protozoa or protozoans. Protozoans are a small microorganism. They are small organisms. So the first in the protozoan disease is malaria. Malaria is caused by a protozoa plasmodium, and if a person who is malaric or having malaria, and if Anopheles mosquito bites that patient and then transmits those plasmodium from this patient with malaria to a healthy person, then that healthy person is more prone to get this malaria. So this is caused by the bite of protozoa infected female Anopheles mosquito. Simply you can't write Anopheles mosquito, you all should know this. Anopheles mosquito on itself cannot cause malaria, but if that Anopheles mosquito is carrying the protozoa of infected person, so those protozoa, if that female Anopheles mosquito is carrying, then the healthy person will be affected, otherwise not. So what are the symptoms? There are repeated attacks of chills and fevers. Like बहुत ठंड होती है, बुखार होता है, सर दर्द होता है, बहुत ज़्यादा पसीना निकलता है. So these are the symptoms. Then prevent mosquito bites and elimination of mosquito. Wherever the cause is mosquito, what will be the prevention? Elimination of mosquitoes. Then amoebiasis. Amoebiasis, it affects the large intestine mainly. It is caused by a protozoa known as Entamoeba histolytica. Entamoeba histolytica. And it is caused by contaminated food and water. Okay. The protozoans enter our body through contaminated food and water. And what are the symptoms? There is diarrhea, discharge of blood and mucus with the stool. Stool, like bowels, you Google, you will get it. And there is pain in the stomach. What is the preventive measures? We should properly wash the fruits and vegetables before eating. Then we should drink clean water and avoid eating uncovered food or the street food. Then the diseases which are caused by fungi. Okay, some pronounce it fungi and some pronounce it fungi. So the first is the ringworm. The ringworm is caused by Taenia species, the Taenia species of fungus, and it is caused by contaminated clothes and articles. Some clothes which are having these fungi with it, or some articles which are having these fungi with it. Then there will be ring shaped patches on the skin. Scalp means the skin of the hair, and nails that cause itching. So here in the picture you can see this ringworms. Okay. So to prevent it, avoid articles of infected person. Wash clothes in hot water with an antifungal soap. The clothes should be washed with antifungal soap. Next in the list of diseases caused by fungi is athlete's foot, which is Taenia pedis. It is caused by the organism Trichophyton, and the mode of transmission is contaminated clothes and soil. There is itching in the foot, especially between the toes. In between the toes, there is continuous itching. Then what we can do? We should wear socks to absorb sweat. Then the shoes should be allowed. Allow your shoes to air at least 12 hours before wearing them again. The shoes should be properly exposed to air and properly dried up before using. And dry your toes after bathing. So after having a bath, the toes, the space in between the toes should be like, if this is the toe and these are the other. So this space should be properly dried up. Then the diseases which are caused by helminthes or worms. So the first in this is teniasis. Teniasis is caused by Taenia solium. It occurs because of eating uncooked pork. Pork is pig's meat, or by eating some pork which is containing the tapeworm. So this is the tapeworm. Okay, this picture you can see. If you are eating something which is having this, then we can suffer from teniasis. Teniasis, in this, the symptoms are segments of the worm in the stool and abdominal pain, loss of appetite. This tapeworm can be cut, and the segments of this will be seen in the stool. There is high pain in our abdomen and there is loss of appetite. Then eat properly cooked meat, the only solution. Next is ascariasis. Ascariasis is caused by ascaris, a worm, and it is caused by contaminated food and water. Then the worms in the stool. These are the symptoms we will see. Okay, in the stool there will be worms, there is a stomach pain, vomiting and nausea. We can consume clean food and water to prevent this, and proper disposal of feces should be there. Then filariasis or elephantiasis, in Hindi we say it hathi pav. It is caused by Wuchereria bancrofti. It is caused by bite of female Culex mosquito, and there is enlargement or swelling of legs. Legs become elephant like, therefore hathi pav or elephantiasis. What we can do is we can prevent mosquito bites.